Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, I have another package from Pegai Leather. It's going to be another leather journal cover. Before I open up this package, I'd like to show you the first one I bought from Pegai Leather. This is their green color. The reason I decided to get another one because I love to collect stuff, or you can say I'm a hoarder. Another reason is I didn't realize that this green leather has a brushed leather texture. Personally, brushed leather is not my #1 favorite. So I decided to try their cinnamon color to see how it turned out. And for this green one, I decided to condition it so the color did get darker slightly. And also I want to get more texture and pull up. So I squeeze it and I roll it gently. Try to do so to see if any texture show up to make this leather cover more interesting. And after doing so, I did get some color variation on the leather and some texture, some grain texture. So I imagine once I start using this, it will age beautifully and has more interesting leather texture show up. If you have the same leather cover, I would suggest you to be careful when you try to roll it to create more texture, because this leather is sensitive to scratches. I already have some scratches on the cover because my fingernails, I wasn't that careful and I didn't realize that. You are able to kind of brush out and condition it to lighten the scuff marks, but I'm not sure it will completely go away though. Anyway, we are supposed to use the stuff and not worry about some small imperfection, right? So this is the design of the leather cover. I really like the design, and because of the design of this closure, you are able to accommodate notebook that has different thickness. Now, let's get to the new cover. So when I ordered the first one, they forgot to include the notebook refill inside. So after I talked to them, they agreed to ship it with the new one. So let's see if it's inside. Interestingly, they use a rubber band to secure the box. I do like their packaging. Let's open it up. So here's the notebook refill that's supposed to come with my last leather cover. Now let's look at the new one. They have really nice packaging. I really like that they include this fabric for extra protection. It's really soft and a nice touch. Let's open it up. Yes, I definitely love this kind of texture better. This is a smooth leather, so if I roll this one, it's likely I will see a lot of leather vein and leather texture show up. But for now, I'll keep it that way. It's beautiful. Kind of like honey color. This is the inside of it. You can keep your notebook on this side or on this side. Either way, it will work just fine. If you keep the notebook on this left side, you can have this as a pocket for your stickers or notes and cards, random paper stuff that you want to carry with you. Even though this is a very simple design, they somehow managed to include a pen loop on the closure here. I haven't tried to put a pen in it yet. Usually I carry a pen case with me, so it's not likely I will use this feature. And like I say, because of the design of this closure, you are able to use a thicker notebook. For example, if I want to use double, let's see if I'm able to close this. See, you can easily close it. You may need a rubber band to secure these two notebooks together, but you are able to use thicker notebook. And they really thought about it when they designed this leather journal cover, because even though I have two notebooks inside, they don't stick out. You still have this leather protecting your notebooks. Pegai leather has some really beautiful leather journal cover and some interesting colors. After this experience, I think I may have to get more. Before I end this video, if you haven't heard of Pegai leather, the owner has a YouTube channel, Tanner Leather Style. I'm sure you're very familiar with his video cutting up luxury bags. So this is his company. He also sells leather bags. Thanks for joining me for this quick unboxing. I love this leather journal cover and hopefully I will get more soon. Bye.